Hello everyone, I-8386SX, and this should be a rather short video, but it's something that's obscure that I'm going to show you here. Before I continue, I am joined by some friends here, so if unexpected noises happen, well, there's one of the reasons. There's two of the reasons, and there's a third one somewhere, but I don't feel like switching the camera around for that. But today there's an obscure piece of software, or semi-obscure, for the Compaq LTE 5000 series. We'll show you it right now. So, we are now at the Compaq LTE 5000. And I already made the floppies for this, so I cut down a little bit of the work, but there's an LTE 5000 supplemental diskette for Windows 95. It's for use with the 5000, 5100, and 5200. There is a different variant, SP2264.exe, that supposedly covers the other 5000 series. And as you can kind of tell, you got INF installation files, Compaq Information Center, and some extra drivers that are bundled with this. So we'll see what is exactly inside. So, to go to these floppies, we will go to the control panel and add and remove programs. And we're going to go to Windows Setup. I have never actually seen this used, this have disk feature used outside of this. And okay, so we may have to insert a different disk here, so bear with us here. Try it again. I have disk 1 in the drive now. There we go. And just for giggles, I am going to install everything. This includes online help documents, Compaq dictionary, options catalog, safety and comfort guide, and a user's guide. Why not? And some DOS drivers for you. We might be throwing ourselves into a loop here. And we got the Cirrus Logic drivers, the wallpaper, and whatever drivers this is. So yeah, this includes the sound card driver, this includes hibernation, time zone, and the mouse driver. I want to do everything just because we can. And this is going to be a pain in the rear because we're going to have to switch around disks to do this. I hope it only asks for these things once. It looks like it's tackling the backgrounds now, so we will tackle whatever it is asking for now. Plowing through that unusually fast. Alright, disk 5, so it's not going to go in order. Probably didn't need that sound card driver, as you can already hear. Oh, I haven't seen that DLL in ages. Alright, disk 2. Oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's try it again. All right. So everything has been installed from the 5 disks. So we shall comply and restart. Well, looks like everything loaded properly. We got the Compaq background now. Oh, we found something else. Oh, the infrared device. You know what? I don't like active desktop. Let's get rid of that. Bye-bye. This is actually the 800 by 600 background. Let's change that to the 640 by 480. But it looked like it did a pretty good job, despite being at 800 by 600. And that tells you all the personal things you can get for this machine. Different hard drives, so that's the options catalog. And the dictionary, oh, you can tell what an AC adapter is. Wow. Cool. I'm starting to wonder if this is maybe not the best graphics card driver to use on this machine. Let's change it up here a little bit. We'll put it up to 16-bit color here. Looks good. Yeah, doesn't look like it's gonna do that goofy flashing thing now. There's your DOS real mode. And all that fun stuff. So yeah, so if you got to use something in MS-DOS mode, the real mode, this allows you to do that. I've never personally messed with that stuff, so I Your guess is going to be good as mine if you don't know. Now just looking here. Let's see if there's anything else that's cool on here. Doesn't look like it, but... it's supposed to be looking for a game port joystick. What disc was that on? Now, before I worry about that, that's, as much as I hate having those in there, not the end of the world. Yeah, just install the default Windows one. That's interesting. I wonder if we install whatever's, yeah, it only detects that one. That's special. I wonder if the graphics card did something interesting here. Yeah, that's just a Windows driver. I don't know what that driver install disk did, but it did something. It didn't do anything of significance, but regardless, there you have it. That is the mystery of the Compaq LTE 5000 supplemental discs. Unless you needed the DOS real mode stuff, or you want to do hibernation with this machine, or you just wanted this cool background, kind of useless to me. But there it is, and thank you for joining me in my living room.